You've got to be agile to do it. Agility is really important. The CEO of Panera Bread said, in many companies, the delivery muscle gets bigger than the discovery muscle. Our discovery muscle is kind of weak. We're really good at doing things over and over again. We're not so good at the new ideas. So work on agility. It makes a huge difference. Travelocity succeeded because we were agile, but also we had victory of the Lilliputians. Remember the Lilliputians, those guys who moved really fast and tied down Gulliver? Do you know that American Express and Carlson Wagonlit, the two biggest companies in travel, never went online? They never had a consumer presence. So if you're the little guy, run fast, you can beat him. If you're the big company like Amex and Carlson, wake up. You better be agile, because somebody's running faster than you are. The internet is like Darwinism on steroids. Evolve or be eliminated. It's still true. You have to evolve. You have to have courage to change. You know, Steve Jobs used to say, I love to go to car shows. And I see those concept cars, they're so cool, I want to buy one, but you can't buy one, they're just a concept. How come when they come out 3 years later, they look like crap? Maybe because a committee was involved, I don't know, but he was able to look at phones like this and turn them into phones like that. How did he do that? Two ways, I think. First was unique clarity of vision. He knew exactly what he wanted to produce. And second was relentless focus on getting it done. Clarity and focus and the courage to do it. That's what it takes to be successful. We need to be as fresh as we were when we were new and as brave as we were when we had nothing to lose.